Okay, I'm here near Heber Springs still, and there's a couple of small waterfalls here. This is called the Bridal Vale Falls, and it's next to a place called the Cornelius Falls. This is like the top, and there obviously is not much water here today, so I get to walk down it. And it's really just a steep drop. This countryside here is very jagged, so I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. But there's an observation tower up there. And then these are the falls. I'm going to go check out the other ones, which are just, I don't know, maybe a mile further down that way. But let's try to get a good shot leaning over the edge here. So these are the Bridal Vale Falls. Beautiful day out here today. Just a beautiful day.